are. Whoa, put my finger right in front of the thing. Here we are, on our way to the bunker bar with Goldenshores Offroaders. We got Kyler back there. What did we do last night, Kyler, to get ready?
Put the back seat in.
Yup, we put the back seat back in the Jeep. So, we haven't had one back there for a while. So, we're off on an adventure with 12 side-by-sides and 9 Jeeps. I don't know if we can see back there, see some of the Jeeps coming behind us. I don't know. But anyways, there it is. What's that, Kyler? We're cruising along.
Remember when you were taking us out on the Jeep and then you were like, oh, it's Facebook Live.
Tape the ride? Yeah.
Or Facebook Live before we went out.
Yeah. Tell them where we were going to be. Telling them where we were going to be.
Yeah.
The dentist waiting for us like a good side-by-side driver. Good person in line. I should probably tell him you don't have to wait for us, but that's why we're in 2 groups, but it's all good. We're cruising down at Sacramento Wash alongside the railroad tracks heading east towards Havasu 95, sort of. Anyway. Here we... Are we videoing now? Yep. There goes Kyler to go play on the train tracks. Here we made the first stop here with the Goldenshores Offroaders on our March run to the bunker bar. I don't know what all the women are doing way out there in the bushes, but there they go. And here we are. There's our fearless leader, Rick Dissinger, right over there. Is there a train coming? Okay. Don't play chicken. Okay. No playing chicken, Kyler. So here we are, first stop. About, I don't know, 3/4 of the way up to the Highway 95, where we're going to cross the Interstate 40. So here we are. We made it to the bunker bar. There's my lovely wife. Here's the Offroaders. They were kind enough to reserve this section for us over here. There's a bunch of the Morris crew. Anyways, there's Nico's over there making lovely food. Hey, look, there's Alex Quinn. How you doing, buddy?
Doing great.
So here it is. This is the bunker bar. Havasu Heights, Arizona. Ladies, smile. Well, anyways. Here we go, here's the parking lot. And then, yeah, here it is. This is the bunker bar. 3 Bind Mice playing today. Pretty cool little spot. Only been open a couple months. There we are, out back. We actually have indoor plumbing right over here. Game area, roof here. And there's my grandson. Yeah, you think you can take me? I'm about to whoop Kyler at foosball. Here we go. So here we are. Rick's trying to get them rounded up right here. This is our crowd right here. Trying to get us rounded up to take a picture. It's like herding cats around here.
You want to be in the camera?
You're in the picture. Very good. This is Okay, so we didn't do a very good job of documenting today. But we have returned to the start here at the Omni Tower in lovely Goldenshores, Arizona, where we started from. Federal government does not mind us, neither does the FAA. We got permission. But anyways, getting ready to do the raffle prizes over here. and the 50-50, and I'm just going to do the walk around here of our group. Again, we started with 9 Jeeps and 12 side-by-sides. Heck, we have 9 Jeeps and 12 side-by-sides here at the end. So, it's pretty amazing. Anyways, there's the crowd. Anyways, signing off from the March Goldenshores Offroaders ride to the bunker in Havasu Heights. Oh, and then the end.